Hey Shaughnessy, I figured it was easier to make you a little extra help video to help with this problem as opposed to trying to type out how to go about doing it. So we're given two different points. We're giving the vertex and a point that's on the parabola. And this right here is just the vertex form of a parabola. This is written a little bit differently than he does it in the video, but usually we write it as this: y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Okay, so what do we know? I know that my vertex is at h and k, and if I have a point, I have an x and a y value. So I literally can put in a value for y, for x, for h, and for k based on those 2 points that I have. I have those 4 values. My only remaining variable will be a, and then I can solve for a. So if I go ahead and substitute in, I have -7 is equal to a times x is 4. So I have 4 minus h, which is 1, squared, plus k, which is 11. So that would give me -7 is equal to a. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 squared is 9. So that would give me 9a plus 11. So if I subtract 11 from both sides, right, I get -18 is 9a. And so a comes out to be -2. Now, the way they wrote this in the problem, I think they're maybe trying to throw you off. They put a plus there. So when you fill in the values, you'll have f of x is equal to -2 times x plus, and I'm not sure why they did this, but I think you're going to have to put a -1 in there, plus 11. I really don't know why they did this, because it should be x minus h squared plus k, and they have a plus in there, so you're going to want to take the opposite sign of what h is. So since it's 1, you want to put -1 in here. I'm thinking maybe that's why they did it that way, but I'm not sure, because you wouldn't normally do that. You normally would just have a minus there, and you would just put the 1 in. But because they put a plus there, I think you have to make that 1 negative. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks!